kami sa ano. Saan na yung ano? Ay, magpunta kami sa town. Ano kami ni mama. May asikasuhin siya. Samahan ko siya. Ay, nakaano lang pala ako. Saan ang aking sandals? Chinelas na lang siguro ako. Ito na lang. Ito na lang. Chinelas na lang. Kanina, galing kami sa ano, sa school ni Kaden kasi meron silang ano, class photo ba yun? Tawag doon. Kalang alagay ko muna kayo dito. Pagkanta lang ako saglit. Nabisi kanina. Si Joshua, kaalis lang. Pumasok na siya sa kanyang trabaho. Asan na yung mga ano ko, bag ko na pampaganda? Magano lang muna ako. Maglagay ng makeup konti. Parang ang putla ko na eh. Putla na tayo na ito. Eh, baka makalimutan ko itong wallet ko. Lagay na kita sa bag. Maganda tong lip tint na to yan, oh. Binili ko to siya sa Priceline.
Just the word.
Ang ganda to. Parang init ngayon, ah. Pwede na yan. Parang cellphone. Tubig na kayo din. Okay na yun. Parang mainit, ah. Are you okay?
I get.
Wala, ang init. Ba't ganun? Isa tayo. Ay, tawagin ko muna si mama kung nasa shop na siya. Ma, sige, papunta na ako, ma.
Okay.
Sige, ma.
Okay, sir.
Sige, ma.
Okay.
I have to turn it.
Wala ka internet?
Oh, Mommy, we're not together.
Yeah, wait. You have to wait. Connect ko muna to siya. Nag-iiyak eh. Nga. Init ah. mama. Yung shop ni mama nandyan, oh. Yan, yung Kuya Joy. Nahintay lang namin siya.
Oh, so
Medyo traffic dun sa mayan. Naayos sila yung sa mga kuryente. Medyo parang traffic. Ang ganda ng weather. Kita nyo? Ang ganda, no? Okay yan. Hi! Kawawa naman to siya. May sipon, oh. Bahay na pala kami. Kanina pa. Si Kaden, nakatulog siya saglit. Saglit lang yung tulog niya. Nagnap siya. Linisin ko muna itong bahay namin. Kasi, parang buong araw ata ako sa labas. Hindi ako nakapaglinis. Nanonood si Kaden sa kwarto. Nano ko muna siya dyan. Sabi ko, dyan ka muna sa kwarto, Kaden. Manood ka muna. Maglinis lang ako saglit dito. Punasan ko muna tong lababo. Tapos, mamaya na yung sala. Tapusin ko muna dito. Tanggalin ko yung mga hinugasan ko kanina.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I are so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep but love, yeah. Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep but love, yeah. Wait a minute, don't you leave me before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. I should catch up on my reading, I should catch up on my eating, yeah. But it's hard to keep a thought straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like, yeah. I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep but love, yeah. Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep but love. Wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss you. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss you. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you, said a minute with you, said a minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you, said a minute with you, said a minute with you is all I want.
Tapos na kami naligo ni Kaden. Naligo pala kami. Nakapantulog na kami. No. Busog na yan siya. Yan, Maya-maya, matutulog na kami. Painumin ko to siya ng Panadol mamaya. Kasi medyo may sipon-sipon pa to si Kaden. Parang sasama yung pakiramdam nito. Bigyan ko to siya ng Panadol. Na-vlog ko to nanood kami niya, no? Yan, no? Minecraft. Yan yung pinapanood namin. Kanina nanood ako ng mga mukbang. Ayaw ni Kaden manood ng mukbang. Gusto niya yung TV niya, no? No?
my goodness, this world is like gone chaos. That is insane. It's gonna attack the wombats. Oh my, dude, this. Oh my goodness, it's gonna. Hang on, there we go. Wow, oh, they're kind of looking at each other like, do I attack you or do I not?
Mamaya pa uwi si Joshua. 10 o'clock pa yung uwi niya.
Oh, okay, they are actually fine.
Papatulungin ko to siya ng
Hang on, who's
maaga.
gonna win? Ooh, the
Tapos
health
ko siya
is going down
painumin ng ano,
slowly, though.
ng panadol. Timplahan ko to siya ng gatas.
Oh, there's some hits.
Ano, baby, no?
It looks so weird. It's like so
Tapos
close to each other, but
patulungin
the
ko to
health
siya ng
is
maaga.
almost identical right now. Almost. Yeah.
Maawa to, may sipon.
Should we just leave them fight or should we just get rid of them? I don't know.
Lagi na lang may sipon, baby, no?
Maybe I need to like intervene and like get a sword out and attack one of them.
Ano yan? May ganyan pala sa Minecraft. Ano, may mga monster? Ano, baby? Tingnan nyo ito, oh. Mga ganyan pala sa Minecraft. Mga ganyan, oh. May monster pala sa Minecraft, baby. No? Ba't ganun? Parang gusto kong magtimpla ng ano, hot chocolate. Timpla lang ako saglit.
And just got rid of it. Are you kidding me? What's my check? Oh no, it's over here. Whew, I was about to say, there's no way. Alright, but yeah, again, alright, let's put it right here. So what do we have? There.
Baby, koy.
Oh, bye bye.
Baby, oh.
Big off. Hang on, I want to do like game rule, keep inventory. You know, I'm down to somebody. We just want to like close again. There we go. Just like a little stack.
Bigyan ako ng kapatid ko ng spaghetti. Na may, uy, ano ito, barbecue? Tapos garlic bread. Ano, ang sarap na ito. Mangkong. Medyo maingay kasi nag-init ako ng tubig. Tignan natin. Yup. Sarap lang ah. Sarap siya. Simple lang yung lasa niya, pero masarap.
Very sharp, buddy. Not like this. Oh, okay, hang on. We got neck, got zip, and then neck. Oh, yeah.
Lagyan ko ng dalawang marshmallow.
Maybe it's a bit this. Then there we go. Alright. That was insane. Alright, guys.